Everybody wants to make money on YouTube nowadays, especially since AI has just taken over. And I'm going to show you guys one of the easiest possible ways to make money on YouTube by starting a faceless channel. It's so easy. All I'm doing is using one AI tool to make videos just like this.
They tried to say Mar-a-Lago was only worth 18 million.
Yeah,
It's like, dude, I would buy it right away. If someone told me you could get Mar-a-Lago for 18 million, I'd call my accountant right now. I'd go, don't lose this. Jump on this. Wire money. Wire the money. I'm moving to Florida.
Man, still can't find any fish for breakfast.
This is just so satisfying. The way the knife gently slices through the glass.
If I knew humans were this much fun, I wouldn't have been hiding in the woods for this long.
So guys, this is Pollo AI. This is the AI tool I've been using to create those videos, and it's extremely easy. Over here on the left hand side, you'll see everything laid out for you. So they got image to video, text to video. They also have AI avatars, consistent characters, and you could change your video into a different style. So you can upload a video and turn it into anime or turn it into like a Disney Pixar style video. You have animations, and you have all of these pre-built effects for your video, as well as some AI tools. For example, the AI Talking Baby podcast generator, which makes it so easy to create these videos. But real quick, if we click on text to video, I'll show you guys the AI video generator models that they support. They have every single one of the best AI video generators on here. They even have Google VO3 as well as VO3, the fast version, which is brand new. It's 30% faster and it's even cheaper to use. But yeah, if we just look through the different models that they support, they got Pixverse, the version 4.5. They have Kling's new 2.1 master version, Hailuo, they got Google VO2, they have Pika, Pixverse, Luma, literally every single one that you could think of. All of the best AI video generator models are all on this platform. And the best part about that is that you're not just paying $250 to use Google VO3. You're paying way significantly cheaper. I believe the cheapest plan is $15 a month, and you'll be able to use all of these different AI video generator models. So you can compare using the same prompt. You can compare these different models and see which one you get the best results from. So now if we come over here to the AI tools, you will see the AI Talking Baby podcast generator. And this is how I make those videos. And so we're going to click on that and I'll show you just how easy this is. So I'm going to click on upload image, and then I'm going to bring in this image of Joe Rogan in his studio, and I'll click OK. And now right here, I can either go ahead and type in a script and use one of the voices that they have on here. But since we're making a Baby Joe Rogan podcast, obviously we're going to want to upload Joe Rogan's audio, right? So the first thing that you're going to need to do is just come over to YouTube, and all you have to do is basically type in Joe Rogan Talks About, and you'll find all of these different channels. And all they do is make clips of Joe Rogan's podcast. So this one right here is called Rogan Recut, but there's so many of these channels, guys. And this is why this is going to be easy money, because all of these channels, they're not doing this for their health. They're making money off of these clips. And as you can see, this has 136,000 likes, not views, 136,000 likes. It has way more views than that. So all of these videos get thousands upon thousands of views, and it's all because of how popular Joe Rogan is. So if we want to stand out, we can switch it up and create a baby version, a baby JRE podcast, and we can make these clips so easily. So I'm going to show you. All you have to do is find a clip, for example, one like this where he's talking.
I just say Mar-a-Lago was only worth 18 million.
Yeah, it's
like, dude, I would buy it.
Okay, so when you find one of these type of clips, all you got to do is copy the link and then just come over to a site like this, enter in the link and click on download, and it's going to download that clip for you. So here it is right here. Now, once you download the clip, you can come back over here to Pollo and you can upload that audio. So I'm going to click on upload audio, bring in that Joe Rogan audio. And here's where you can crop that audio if it's too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm it because I don't need to crop anything. And now once you do that, you can either put in a prompt, but I'm not going to put in a prompt because I already have the image of him and I have his audio, so I don't need anything else. And I'm going to turn it into a 9:16 because I'm going to make a YouTube Shorts video out of this. And for resolution, of course, you're going to want to select 720, not 540. And then I can go ahead and click on create. And with Pollo AI, all of the guesswork is taken out because they make it so simple. All you got to do is upload an image and upload his audio, and that's it. They do all the rest of it for you. You don't need multiple tools. You don't need multiple platforms. It's all right here on Pollo AI's one platform. Now the video's done generating and we can watch it right here.
I just say Mar-a-Lago was only worth 18 million.
Yeah,
It's like, dude, I would buy it right away. If someone told me you could get Mar-a-Lago for 18 million, I'd call my accountant right now. I'd go, don't lose this. Jump on this. Wire money. Wire the money. I'm moving to Florida.
Okay, so that's good, but it almost looks like a kid version of Joe Rogan. Now, another thing that we could do is click on right here. These are the image options right here. And if I come over to the effects tab, you'll see all these different effects that we could do with our images. So if I click on AI baby filter and then I upload this image of Joe Rogan just like that, and now what I can do is change the aspect ratio if I want, and then click on create. And now as you can see, guys, we have the perfect, cutest little Joe Rogan baby podcaster right here. Since this video turned out looked like he was just a big kid, let's upload this image instead, and we'll really turn this into a Joe Rogan. And we'll really turn this into a JRE baby podcast. I'll go ahead and download this image without the watermark. And now that we did that, I'm going to come back over here to the video tab, and I'm going to come down to AI tools, and I'll click on the AI talking baby podcast again, and I'll upload this image this time. So hopefully now we will get a perfect JRE baby podcast. So I'm going to click on upload audio once again, upload that Joe Rogan audio. And again, I won't have to crop anything because it's under 1 minute. So I'll just click on confirm. And then I'm going to come down here to 9:16 and we'll create that. And now, as you can see, guys, we have the perfect baby JRE podcaster. Let's go ahead and make this full screen.
Just say Mar-a-Lago was only worth 18 million.
Yeah,
it's like, dude, I would buy it right away. If someone told me you could get Mar-a-Lago for 18 million, I'd call my accountant right now. I'd go, don't lose this. Jump on this. Wire money. Wire the money. I'm moving to Florida.
Now you guys can see clearly why this is so popular, and what we can do is we could actually run that video. If we click on video to video, we can run it through here and turn it into an anime. So I'll just show you that real quick. We'll click on classic anime. We'll, of course, upload that video that we just got from the baby podcast. And now I'm just going to come down here and click on create. This is a little bit different. This is an anime version of a baby JRE podcast.
Yeah,
it's like, dude, I would buy it right away. If someone told me you could get Mar-a-Lago for 18 million, I'd call my accountant right now. I'd go, don't lose this. Jump on this. Wire money. Wire the money. I'm moving to Florida.
So there's so many different things you could do with this tool. Now, don't forget you have the consistent character option and the AI avatar option. They just make everything so easy. Now I'm going to click on text to video, and here is where we could try out, because I know how popular Google's VO3 is. We could try out the VO3 fast model and we'll see how good it does. We'll go ahead and just create one of those Bigfoot vlogs. I'm going to put in this prompt right here that's talking about Bigfoot, and I just made it to where he's hopefully going to be in a canoe going down a river. We'll see how accurate it sticks to the prompt. And also where it says generate audio, we're going to want to turn that on because that's going to create some natural sounds in the background. Click on create. All right, guys, so I'm not going to lie, Google's VO3, the new fast model, is crazy. It generated it on only about 10 seconds. Now, if we look at this video, this is extremely accurate to the prompt that I typed in.
Man, still can't find any fish for breakfast. Man, still can't find any fish.
This is why people have been so obsessed with this video generator model, because it's just extremely accurate and it's very high quality. Now for this next video, I'm going to go ahead and combine two different viral styles. There is a new trend going on with the glass fruit, the ASMR cutting glass fruit. So I'm just going to have Bigfoot do that and we'll see how good it turns out. Let's come up here to the prompt and we'll change this prompt real quick. prompt where he's in a rustic modern kitchen and he's going to be slicing up glass watermelon into thin slices. So this is that new ASMR trending type of video where they're slicing glass fruit. And while I wait for it to load, I just want to make sure you guys go ahead and click on the link in the description, or I'll also put it in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you click the link and you guys go check out Pollo AI. And here we go, guys. We got BigFoot in a modern kitchen and he's slicing watermelon. Let's check it out.
This is just so satisfying, the way the knife gently slices through the glass.
Now I can see why this is so popular. This model is incredible. It's so good at sticking to the prompt, and also the fact that it can include audio is just, it's really crazy. Let's go ahead and make another one with BigFoot. This time I'm going to make him jumping out of an airplane. So let's go ahead and do BigFoot skydiving. Let's see how that looks. All right, so I'm just going to switch that prompt around and change it to BigFoot standing in an airplane getting ready to jump. Okay, guys, hopefully this is promising. Let's check it out. I'm going to make it full screen. Let's see.
If I knew humans were this much fun, I wouldn't have been hiding in the woods for this long.
Not bad at all. You can see why this is going so viral. It's just fun to make these type of videos. And the fact that VO3 can literally lip sync and add in all the background noise and everything, it really is crazy. There's one more feature that I really want to show you guys. If you come up here where you see these three lines, just hover your mouse over where it says create new, and you're going to see this canvas mode. So go ahead and click on that. And then they have this brand new feature. It's called chat to image. When you click on chat to image, it's going to bring this screen up, and you can go ahead and type in whatever prompt you have for an image. I'll just go ahead and place this prompt right in here. And then you're going to be able to generate images with ChatGPT. And then you can add it to the canvas, and you can do all different types of edits to that image. So I'm just going to click on the aspect ratio right here, and I'll leave it on 3:2. And also right here is where you can change the style of the image that you're creating. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on Ghibli, but they have all these different styles. So you can go with ultra realism or more of a cartoon type of style if you want. So I'll leave it on Ghibli, and I'm just going to go ahead and send this prompt through. Now that it's generated the image, we can go ahead and click right here where it says add to canvas. It's able to handle spelling words correctly, so that's really good. Now what you could do from here is you can click on this image. If we click on upscale, you can see that we can upscale the image 4x, or we can click on in paint right here, and we can change anything about this image that we want. I'll just highlight right there, and I'll tell it to make the robot holding some money. Okay, make the robot holding a wad of cash, and then I'm going to click on generate right here, and it'll be able to update our image just like that. So now we have the robot handing it some money. And what we can also do is we could just highlight his shirt, maybe if we wanted to change his color of his shirt. So I'll just go through and highlight his shirt. And if it's taking too long, you have a brush size option up here. So just go ahead and increase the brush size. Perfect. Now I can just tell it to change the color of his shirt. Maybe I want him to be wearing a yellow shirt, and click on generate. And now as you can see, it has changed his shirt to a nice yellow color. So the really cool thing about this is that you don't have to have any type of editing skills. Also, if you don't like one of these edits, as you can see down here on the bottom, you have the ability to go back. So every time it edits the image, you can go back and decide if you want the old image, if you don't like what it did. So for example, if you don't like how it had the robot hand him money, you could just click on delete right here, and we'd be back to the original image. If we wanted to use this as a YouTube thumbnail generator, all you'd have to do is come up here where it says uncrop, and this can expand our image without messing up our image, without messing up the quality, and without distorting it, which is a really nice feature. So all you have to do is click on 16:9, because this is the aspect ratio for a YouTube thumbnail. And when you do that, you're just going to click on uncrop, and it's going to create a perfect YouTube thumbnail. It's just going to expand that image without distorting it. It's going to add in some features. It's just like generative expand right here. So it's going to work perfect in order to create a nice YouTube thumbnail for us. So just like that, it has expanded our image without messing up our image, without distorting the quality. It's perfect for creating YouTube thumbnails. This is going to really speed up your process. And now you could even remove the background up here, or you can crop your image. There's all these different options with this canvas feature. It's really cool. And then once you get your image how you like it, we could just go ahead and click download without watermark. And just like that, we have our perfect thumbnail for our video. And here's another little tip. If you right click on your image, you can actually bring it over to the image to video feature. And then we can animate this image and turn it into a video just like that. So this canvas feature is really, really cool. So make sure you guys click the link down below, check out their site, and start creating some of these videos and start your own channel. You'll be able to go viral and start making some easy money on YouTube. So make sure you go check out Pollo AI, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.